who need our help solving problems.
Wait a minute. This sounds like an idea emergency.
We need to figure out how to stop Dave sneezing.
So he can fix our voicemail. We need to solve this problem.
And that means we need some good ideas. Let's brainstorm!
We need good ideas and we need them now. So put your heads together and we'll write them down. There's no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. I can count on you and you can count on me to make our ideas a reality. There are no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. There are no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. Brainstorming here and brainstorming there. Brainstorming upside down or sitting in your easy chair.
Reach high!
Think big, work hard, have fun.
All right, who's got an idea?
Maybe Dave has a cold.
I don't think so. I mean, I feel okay. Just my nose is a little... It's a little itchy.
Maybe if we gave Dave a nose that didn't itch, he'd stop sneezing.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, we'll just give Dave a new
Nose! Wait, a new nose?
That's right. One that doesn't sneeze.
Here, try him on.
You can put your new nose right on top of your old nose.
Yeah, because your old nose still does lots of important things.
Like smelling.
And breathing.
No.
Oh, you look good.
Really?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Really?
Really, really
Yeah.
good.
Absolutely.
That's great.
But does my voice sound funny?
No.
Not at all. Not at all.
Guys.
I mean, it sounds a little
Yeah,
funny.
a little bit.
But Dave, you're not sneezing, are you?
No!
Covering Dave's nose worked.
I'll try to fix voicemail again.
Yeah!
Okay. I can't see.
Your nose is too big. I mean, your fake nose.
Scott's right. I can't see over it.
Bless you.
Well, movers, good try, but I think we're gonna need another idea.
Nina!
Oh, hello, movers. Look, Nina, my orange juice is almost beautiful beige.
That's great, Uncle Nitnots.
I'll need you back at the office so we